Welcome to this Windows and Computer and Technology channel, and of course it's a big patch Tuesday for everybody this month. Pretty incredible the number of flaws that are fixed. 132, actually it's 130 plus 2 advisories. Now for Windows 10, what did the update bring? And so once again in my computer here, this this is a mini PC. Core i5 that's not compatible to upgrade to Windows 11, and it has an SSD drive. It took, I'd say, about 20 minutes, 20 to 25 minutes max. And this is from it downloaded, it installed, and it restarted. So this isn't too bad for the fact that there are so many flaws in this one. And of course, a lot of people are scared because last month there was this bug that the restart, the cleanup was like really long. I haven't heard anybody complain this time around. I think this should be fixed. So of course your update history, you should see that on Windows Update you have KB 502.8166, Windows 10 22H2. And what does that fix? Well, for Windows 10 22H2, you have 82 vulnerabilities, 6 are critical, 76 are important. The critical flaws are Windows routing and remote access service. There's a Windows routing, 3 of them in there that are fixed, so that's part of the 6. There's a Microsoft message queuing remote code execution vulnerability. There's a Windows Layer 2 Bridge network driver remote code execution vulnerability, and a Windows Pragmatic General Multicast remote code flaw. So these are the critical ones. So of course, the rest is 76 rated important. So with 6 critical, you want to fix it. And we know that a lot of them are already exploited in the wild by bad guys, which means that not applying the update puts you at risk of getting malicious code if you stumble upon a bad page. And you might say, well, I don't go to websites that are bad or that are malicious. Yeah, but you can open an email that is malicious that you don't know where it comes from, but just the fact that the email shows up, the malicious code can be in there and exploit one of the vulnerabilities or flaws in the Windows operating system. So for Windows 10, it's 82 vulnerabilities, 6 critical, 76 important. So update your system for Windows 10 22H2. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.